Well, we're out here on the dunes with the Comanche. I didn't bring like a mount or anything, so I can't really record me. Holden's out here in the Ranger. We got the Mojave and a 450. This is probably like all the weirdest things you'd ever see other than the 450. YZ boys. That's straight chaos. Derek. Got the Miami Vice out. That's rough right now. Dude, he's full send.
He didn't even get a practice lap in. He just started going.
You don't need one.
Oh, Logan!
Those ruts are getting him.
Oh, yeah. Well, they're getting Dylan too, but he knows how to go around them.
Oh, I left my shovel over here.
Yeah.
Good thing we came back. No way! Was that rear brake? Please tell me you held the rear brake. Oh, it's just the rear brake. Do a wheelie! He's even got the audio.
Yeah,
dang, this thing's pretty slick.
That's what I want to do. Like, come on, it's not fat, dude.
Yeah, the build process, yeah. That is 2.5 months. We're watching that right now.
450 versus 1,000.
Oh, it's made by Raw.
So, with the Comanche, I always make sure this rig's out here to get me back if needed. Look at how massive this thing is. TK's rolling in the side-by-sides. Oh, he's done. Dude, he's bobbing and weaving. Holy cow. It looks like it was that rail. The one that was racing the red rail right next to him. Oh, Cam's up there too. Well, there's always out here to help. How did they set all this up? Oh, you got me. Jack, I'm so happy that you brought Sheila out here all fixed up for me. I've been wanting to do a wheelie.
The engine button right there until it goes into Sport Plus.
Okay.
But it won't go into Sport Plus until you, I mean, I just ran it in Sport.
Okay. Sport.
Yeah.
Drive.
Watch the headlights, they're low because it's stink bugged in the nose.
Okay. That was too much information. I don't know what we're doing.
For it, I think is what he said.
This thing's so damn wide. Oh, it's all automatic mode. I thought he put it in manual. I want paddles. Oh, we forgot to hit Sport Plus, dude.
Yeah, we did.
I hate you.
Why?
This is too good.
Gonna get a Can-Am now?
Oh my god, dude. There's a lot left in that
You
thing.
hit Sport Plus or?
No. I just left it. I mean, we were just kind of hitting that little dune section, so I just left it.
I'll bet this puts the same amount of power to the ground as that did.
Oh yeah, 100%. It's just a big car.